Hi, lovely people. How are you? So if you read from my description or from my title, I don't know why I always say description, I'm going to be unboxing the Play Luxe by Sephora. This is, let me tell you exactly what it is. The Play Luxe by Sephora Volume 2. This is kind of weird because was $25. It is not a monthly subscription. It's like a limited edition. Sometimes Sephora does have it that you can get some. The last one I got, I believe, was like the Play Smarts. That was $25. It was supposed to be like a glitter eye. I didn't care for it too much, so I didn't purchase any more. But I seen this and it caught my eye. But I do not remember what's in here because I had this for a little bit now. But the weird thing is, you couldn't go to like online and go up to Sephora and order it. You had to have the Sephora app in order to purchase this. So that's kind of weird. So let's just open her up and see what she looks like. I even forget what the bag looks like. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow. So this is what the bag looks like. So pretty. Handle looks like that. It says Sephora right there, and then inside here you have like the cards and stuff that tells you what everything is. So let me open this up. It says volume 2, all luxury all the time. Okay, and then it tells you what everything is. It doesn't give me prices, I don't think. All right, so let's just, this feels so good. It's so soft. I really like the bag. All right, and that's what it looks like. So it's filled up. Oh, Lord. And I don't edit my video, guys. Okay, let me pick that up. Okay, so let's just see what fell. This is the Tatcha Harper what is this? It's a serum. I can't read. I should have got my glasses right there. So let me read up on it, what it is. Okay, let's see if they have it in order. Okay, no, it is the Tatcha Harper. This is a serum. It is a rich, concentrated formula that infuses skin with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and vitamins for just a back-to-back from a spa retreat radiance. Buck beam extract what does it say? Visibly firm skin, while Spanish lavender extracts diminishing the look of wrinkles. Yes, I like that. That's what it would look like if it was full size. Boy, I can't read. I thought it said Tatcha, but it is Tatcha Harper. So the only other thing that I have tried for them was like a little mask. So let's do this so you guys can see what it looks like. And so it looks like a little cream. Oh, it smells good. And there we go. Really, I know you can't say anything and blend it right in, but it smells good and it's a decent size. I wish I knew prices so I can tell you at least what the full size will be. So if I can find them, I'll look them up if I remember, and I'll put them down in my description. All right, the next thing I pull out that I see is Christopher Robin. This is a hair mask, I want to say. I'll have to look into what it is. And I've heard of this brand, but I can't remember. Come on, focus. If I ever tried anything from this brand. Well, that smells good. And it is really filled up to the top. So these are decent sized samples. I can't complain. Let me find the card. Let's see. I tell you what I'm seeing so far, I am like really happy. Okay, so this is, okay, a hair mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. Says you don't need a reason to have a red carpet ready hair. This intense repairing mask boosts strands radiance and pure prickly pear seed oil and pigmented. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Leaving your hair softer. Okay, I really need to get my glasses because see how that's print right there? Now I can read it like that because it's magnifying up with the camera, but it's really small. So this is a really good size sample. So that's exciting to try that. The next thing we got, ooh, Hourglass. What is this? This is an ultra black, so it must be like a little mascara. All right, let me go through the cards again. Okay. All right, so yeah, I don't know why I keep looking because it doesn't have prices. All right. Let's see if I can get this thing out. I don't think I tried their mascara before, so that's what it looks like. And that's what the wand looks like right there. Doesn't really have a scent to it. You ever have some mascaras and they like smell like a mascara? So I'm excited to really try that. All right. The next thing we got, oh, this is from Tatcha, the Water Cream. I have been wanting to try this. And I also want to try the Tatcha, the Pore Minimizing Primer, the canvas one. I want to, but it's like $60. Okay. Come on. All right, so this says, this anti-aging water cream that hydrates skin, controls oil, and visibly tightens pores with a burst of powerful Japanese botanicals. Plus, it has a touch of gold that eliminates skin, elegant, understated, just like the packaging. So let's open her up and see what we got. Why do they do that? This is the packaging. This is the little bitty sample. They have a little thing in there. Do you see right there? So that it kind of like, it looks like you're getting a lot. All right, so let's see. Oh my God. And then it has like a little thing inside. So if you see, you're only getting very little bit. Like, and it's not even filled up. So that even with this, it makes, I hate when they do that. It makes it seem like the sample size is decent, but then it has like a little thing inside. So they could at least fill that up. I don't even want to like, well, let me just touch it and see. Here we go. That's probably $10 worth of swatch right there. And it does feel good. And that smells good too. So I am excited to try it. The only thing is what I don't like. I love getting these types of samples to see what it's like. But then if I like them, it's like I can't afford them anyway. But at least I get to say that I did try it. So let's go. All right. And it looks like this is the last thing. All right. So this is by, I can never pronounce this word right here. Tell me down below, how do you pronounce that? Because I know I'll mess it up. Gravinci? I don't know. This looks like, what is this? A lipstick. Okay. So, let's see. And there we go. All right, let's see how much lipstick we get. What the heck? Look at that color. What in the world? Oh my God, look. It doesn't come out like the color you would think. Oh, that's cool. There we go. Let me try it on this hand because I have lotion on there. That is really, really cool. I thought it was going to be like a black color. If you can see, it's like a purplish color. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. I was not expecting that. Let's see what it says. This moisturizing high shine lipstick that uses rare black rose oil to transform lips into a unique enhanced version of your own color, ranging from sheer berry to deep plum. Consider this a little black dress of lipsticks, classic, sexy, and flattering. So I guess when you put it on your lips, it depends on, you know, what color it'll go to. So that is really, really good. But then there's one more card, and this says the Tom Ford Black Orchid. So I guess maybe a little sample, but there's nothing. Is there? Oh, yes, there is. I didn't see it. Okay, so there we go for that. Let's open her up. I know Tom Ford is expensive. So that's the size sample you get. It's like a roll-on ball. I wish it was like a spray. So let's put this on a little bit. That smells pretty good. I don't know if that's for men or women. Smells pretty good. It's a little strong, but it's not bad. It does smell good, but it is a little strong. So that is Black Orchid. Tell me down below if you tried this before. Is this for a guy or a girl, or maybe for both? Let me know what you think of it. So is this bag worth $25? Okay, so you get this bag, which this is really nice. All right, so you get this little tiny sample of Tatcha. I know Tatcha, the water cream, is expensive. Like I said, I'll leave down the full-size prices down below. Then we got this Grinchy, little lipstick, which is pretty cool. I have to say, it's really cool. Then we got this Christopher Robin hair mask. We also got this other cream from Tata Harper. What else did we get? We got the Tom Ford, and we got the Hourglass mascara, and it's $25. Is it? Now I look at this, like BoxyCharm is $21 and you get 5 full-size products. Now these are more luxury brand, and you get to try. I don't know if I would pay $25 for this though. I mean, this is a decent size sample. Okay, fine. You know, this is okay, you know. This is, I wish this was like a little bit bigger. I mean, I don't need a mascara, but it's nice to try. See, for me, this is how I am with mascaras. For mascaras, I think drugstore works just the same, honestly. I mean, I really do. I don't think you need to spend a whole lot of money on mascara. You know, mascara is mascara, in my opinion. I'm just saying. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this? Would you pay $25 for this? I mean, the pros and cons are, the pros are you get to try luxury brands to see if you like. Boy, I could really smell that perfume now. I mean, it does smell good, but it is very strong. I put a little bit on my hand, and I could really smell it. So you only need a little bit of this. And it's like, I wouldn't be able to afford to get these to try them. So yes, I can try them. I would normally never go and purchase them. But then if I like them, I can't afford to pay for them. But at least I do get to say that I have tried the formula, you know. But if I do like this, it's about the only thing. I am really into skincare, and I would pay a little bit extra if I know it does work for skincare. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I do like the bag. Let me know, what was your favorite thing in this thing? I think my favorite thing was to try the water cream, because I have really been wanting to try that. What did you like the best? Would you pay $25 for this? Do you think it's worth it? What do you think? I mean, the regular Sephora subscription is only $10, and you get to higher end samples to try. This is $25. Let me know. Do you think it's worth it? I don't know. Let me know if I should purchase another one when another limited edition comes out. Would you like to see it? Or do you say, no, it's not worth it? Let me know. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, if you like unboxings. And I will put videos right here if you want to see more of me. All right, guys. Until my next video. Bye.